The Union Home Ministry has granted approval to the Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra to receive contributions from foreign sources for the construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya, its General Secretary Champat Rai said on Wednesday. Such contributions can be sent to a designated bank account of the trust in the SBI's main branch located in Delhi, he said. The Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra has been approved by the FCRA, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, Department of the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India to receive voluntary contributions under the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010, he said in a post on X. In a media statement issued separately, he said, the FCRA section of the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Government of India, has registered the trust Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra to accept the voluntary contribution from the foreign sources. Kindly note that such contributions can be sent to only designated bank accounts of the State Bank of India main branch situated at 11 Sansad Marg, New Delhi, he said. According to the FCRA rules, non-government organizations or trusts are required to open their bank account in the State Bank of India Sansad Marg branch, Delhi, to receive foreign funds. Constituted in 2020, the trust overseeing the construction of the Grand Ram Temple in Ayodhya had applied for FCRA license in June this year. The construction of the ground floor of the 3-story Ram Temple in Ayodhya will be completed by December end, and the consecration ceremony is expected to take place on January 22, Temple Construction Committee Chairperson Nripendra Mishra recently told PTI in an interview. Mishra also said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to take part in an event related to the Pran Pratishtha on any day between January 20 and 24. The final date is yet to be communicated by the Prime Minister's office, he added.